Let's do a little bit of review about what a radian is. So a radian is a unit of angular displacement. So let's just draw a circle here and just remember what it means to look at the angles in a circle. So if I call this 0 degrees up here, 0 degrees, then one way that I can measure the angular displacement in this circle is to say that if I go down here to the bottom, I would be at 180 degrees. And if I came all the way around a full rotation, I would have 360 degrees of this circle is a full rotation. Now, if that's looking at degrees. Now, if I look at revolutions, it's a bit simple. It's pretty simple to remember that because it corresponds well with our English language word of a revolution. Revolutions just means one full circle of angular displacement. So this is one revolution. And then 1.5 revolutions would go all the way around and then to the one at 180 degrees, etc. So that one's pretty straightforward. The one I find needs a little bit of review is radians. And you'll probably already have memorized that 180 degrees is equal to 1 revolution, which we just looked at. And that's equal to 2 pi radians. But let's think about what that means. 1 revolution is equal to 2 pi radians. You always have that in your conversion factor, but let's look at what it means. That means that in 1 revolution, there are 2, literally, times pi radians, right? So there are 2 times 3.14 radians in 1 revolution. So that is essentially 6 and a bit radians fit in a circle. So if I were to ask you, what does a radian look like if you were to sort of hold up your hands? Is it a teeny tiny angle or is it a huge angle, like half of a circle? Well, 6 and a bit of them have to fit inside a circle. So I need a little less than 3 in half a circle, and then I need another 3. So I fit 1 of them, I fit 2, I fit 3, I fit 4, I fit 5, I fit 6. And I just showed you here that 6 and a bit have to fit inside a circle. And so here's your bit. And so that's an easy way of thinking about what a radian is. Once you know this simple conversion that goes like this, 180 degrees equals 1 revolution, which equals 2 pi radians. If you just memorize that, then you don't have to memorize a whole bunch of equations that we have in physics, angular rotation, and motors, because you remember that you can do any of these conversions inside your math formula. You don't need 3 different equations for each of the concepts.